Hey guys, quick video of left mirror for all the Rav4s with from 2019-2025. I decided to take this video because I want to show you a real disassembly of the left mirror, because I incidentally happened to broke this part here. So I want to do this quick video to show you how to real disassembly this mirror. So first I want to show you this part, because this part is very key to the whole thing. So first you want to start with, just a second, with the glass. So always go, the first step should be from here, slightly push from here, and after releasing those clips you go through here. Just want a slight push and the mirror is off, the glass is off. After this one, it's easy part for this cap right here. So you can see there's two clips here. Just a second. So basically two clips here and one here. It goes through from here. So it's easy when you don't have a glass, just to give a slight push through here. You remove that cap. Second one, and you probably see there's two nuts here, here, and eventually here, but it's not necessary. You can remove this part easily by just a second. You can clip it here, slight push. You can disassemble it. Just a slight push from down. There you go. It has this thing goes right here. Just you can push this one and just unpin it. Okay, this one from here, it's easy part. Just push these two clips right here and you can unlace the turn signals. After that, this one is, it's not so easy, but when you know when the clips are, it's easy to disassemble it. I use these tools, plastic tools. It's easy, just goes through all the way here easily, and you can remove it. You can see there's a one clip here, 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 and here. You can just slightly pushing through here, all the way from here, here, and the back part here. But be very careful, guys, because the plastic is really hard and you can break something, so you have to do it with very caution because you can break it. After that, you can see 3 bolts here. When you remove the bolts, you can remove the whole main body of the mirror. You can just replace it with another mirror, or just, I don't know, buy this part and replace this one. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like. Thank you.